Welcome back to NG Auto Review, your go-to spot for real-world car insights and no-fluff breakdowns. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Hyundai Kona SUV. Hyundai has stepped up its game in the compact SUV market, and the new Kona proves it with a sharp redesign, tech-forward cabin, and solid performance upgrades. Let's break it down. Right off the bat, the exterior styling of the 2026 Kona is bold and futuristic. Hyundai's gone with a more aggressive front fascia featuring a full-width LED light bar, slimmer headlamps, and a wider grille that gives it serious road presence. The side profile has cleaner lines, slightly flared wheel arches, and a sleeker roofline, giving it a sportier edge. You also get 17 to 19-inch alloy wheels depending on the trim, and new color options like Mirage Green and Abyss Black add flair to the lineup. Under the hood, you have two main powertrain options. The base models come with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine pushing out around 147 horsepower. Nothing wild, but smooth and efficient for daily driving. For those who want more punch, the turbocharged 1.6-liter engine delivers 190 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The handling is confident, with improved suspension tuning that gives a more composed ride over bumps and corners. And for the eco-conscious, the Kona Electric returns with better range and faster charging for 2026. Inside, the Kona really surprises. The cabin feels premium with soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and a minimalist dash design. A curved dual 12.3-inch display setup combines your digital gauge cluster and infotainment screen seamlessly. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the user interface is sharp and responsive. Rear seat space has been improved, and the cargo area is now more usable, especially with the split-level floor design. It's clear Hyundai is focused on comfort and practicality here. As for pricing, the 2026 Hyundai Kona starts around $25,000 for the base SE trim and goes up to about $34,000 for the top-end limited model with all the tech bells and whistles. The electric variant starts slightly higher but comes with federal EV tax incentives in some regions, making it a great value. That's our full take on the 2026 Hyundai Kona. Let us know in the comments what you think. Is it a solid upgrade, or are you looking elsewhere in the compact SUV market? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more from NG Auto Review. See you next time.